All right. So that's what we're doing here. After you sort it through, what do you call it, Google Sheets, this is the data. But now let's find the 5-number summary. You could use Excel if you want to. I mean, I didn't put the directions for that, mostly because I didn't know if everyone had access to Excel. So Google Sheets you can get to easily. I showed you how to do that. Okay. So we have the data sorted. So the minimum, that's easy, that's just 1. The maximum is 20, so we have 2 of that 5-number summary. There's 18 data values, right? So going back to that procedure, our n here, right, it's how many data values. So our n is 18. Okay? Now, 0.25 times 18, you just calculate that. You get 4.5. Just direct calculation. Now, of course, this is a decimal, right? And in that procedure, if it's a decimal, you round up. So even if this somehow were 4.1, you would still round up to 5. Will you round up to 5? So that means we take the data value in the 5th position, meaning the 5th data value from the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, it happens to be 5 as well. That's just coincidence. For the median, right, we're going to do L, which is 0.5 times 18, or 0.50 times 18, same thing. And that's half of 18, right? So we're doing the median here, which is, where is it? Down here. That gives us 9, which is a whole number. So we're going to use not the 9th and the 10th data values. And what do we get when we do that? Well, we look at the 9th and 10th data values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's 10 and 11. We take the average of them. And that just turns out to be 10.5. Remember, a quartile doesn't have to be a data value. Here it is. So it could be, but it doesn't have to be. So for the next one, Q3, right? Q3, we do 0.75 times 18, the number of data values. And we get this. This is a decimal, right? What do? We're going to round up, in this case, to 14. We're taking the 14th data value, okay? So if we get the 14th data value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the 14th data value is 16. That's our 3rd quartile. So this is our 5-number summary. This is what we get. You could draw a box plot. I would do it using Desmos. You can actually use Desmos to check, because it calculates a 5-number summary for you, mostly because it draws the box plot. So, but this is what we get. Any questions on this? Because I figured I'd let everyone try an example like this as well. Take about 5 minutes. Okay. So this one, it's already sorted. Okay. So I sorted it for you. Okay. I mean, you could still practice on your own actually sorting this. And if you're having trouble doing that, contact me by email or whatever. Or, I do have office hours today. You're more than welcome to see me then. But I want everyone to use this and get the 5-number summary. Okay. I want everyone to try that now. So I'm going to pause the recording as before.